Alright, this is that 670 Street Avenger. Holley, this is a dual feed single pumper. On the front median block, this is the wrong one. This is for a rear. This is just an example. I don't have one, it's on order. I used it off of my Oldsmobile 750 double pumper. So what you're going to want to do is get a median block off for a 750 Holley double pumper, and the power valve's got to be solid where it doesn't have the spring, and run 89 jets into it, and then in the back run 68 jets into it up to 78s, and that seems to work really well. And then cut the top of this all off by an inch and leave just a little tip here. Clean everything all out onto it. Take out the little jet in the center of the bottom on the Street Avenger and remove the electronic choke and plug the hole itself with a screw after you tap it. Then you're at the point where I'm at right here, to where you have something that'll run on street and strip and run really well. And now we're going to show you the video here. Carburetor. You see it? I'm not even going to chunk it or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the fucking key on it. Oh, that's for you, big papa. Like I say, this median block is just for example, so I can put it back together. It's a rear one, but you need the one with the air bleeds. It's got to be for a 750 double pumper, and you need to have this a solid power valve. This one on here. Okay. Real good stuff. All right. There it is. Could be cleaned up. Be a pretty carburetor. It runs like a champ, and that's all that matters. All this is new. Everything. All the guts internally and all the little O-rings and everything and stuff I replaced. And even the little vacuum secondaries diaphragm. It's all brand new out of the box yesterday. So there's the results, guys, of how they run when you build them right. Don't forget to build your dreams. Let me show you something. I only run Holleys. These are the only carburetors we run.